Welcome to Paper Cut Crafts. We are doing paper pumpkin. This is by subscription per month. So if you want to try one, sign up by the 10th of a month to get that month. So we are doing July. I know it's August, but we're just slow. So this is the July of 2020. It is called Summer Nights. So like I said, that we're a little bit behind, but we're getting it going before we get August, which is in the mail. So So we have, this one has lights and fireworks, fireflies, that kind of thing. Blackberry Bliss is our color. Summer Nights add-ons. So these are add-ons you can buy outside of this box.
And then
so this is an all-inclusive kit. Your first kit will come with a block to stamp with. Alright, so she's going to open it. No. Just, it's scissors. Use them like scissors. So we have some nice little glammy enamel stars. We have our glue dots and twine and things.
Oh, this is dark blue.
These are little baggies that have design on them. And we got, okay, these are postcards, not like regular cards, so that's kind of neat. Some vellum, oh those are neat, vellum jars. Okay, we need the instructions. Okay, and we got a die cut pieces. Those are our envelopes.
Where is it?
More die cut pieces. These are the tags. Alright, so these are the cards. There are 4, so everyone can pick one.
I pick
this one. No, that one.
I want to pick one that fireworks.
The bag has fireworks.
Oh.
This one has fireworks.
Yeah, that one.
Which one do you want to do? Ferris wheel?
I will watch
okay,
my
well
hands.
let's you can do this one and then put your own touch on it. This has 9 postcards and envelopes and tea light bags. I don't know if I would want to put a tea light in a bag.
What's a tea light?
A little candle. It's like a little candle like this big.
And it's not like fire candle, right?
Yeah. Well, I can't. Well, I mean, you can buy the electric ones with the batteries.
I like those ones better.
I wouldn't want to. I would not put
a flame
in a plastic bag. Okay, I guess I'm doing the bag then.
It's not plastic. Wait, is it?
It's a paper. Sorry. Yeah, everyone kept saying plastic. I got confused. Alright, so it says, alright, so stamp your labels and postcards, stamp invitation sentiments on the back. Oh, so it's like an invitation thing, okay? Okay, so, who's the one who had the fireflies? Fireflies.
I didn't want
and then you're going to do Ferris wheel, and what do you want to do for your own? You want the same background or a different background?
Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh.
That one? And I get the bag. Okay. These, I've seen a lot of alternates with these. These are really pretty because the colors are awesome. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah. Yeah, alternates would be really easy with these. Okay, so then no, it's a postcard. Okay, so you are getting
the fireworks.
You're getting this tag.
I get a weird tag.
You get a tall tag.
Tall tag.
Like a tall tag.
I got a tall tag!
And you get a flat tag.
But to do this?
Swap tag.
How is the Ferris wheel supposed to fit on?
Like,
Oh, the Ferris wheel goes on
oh,
the
this
bottom.
is upside down as well.
Oh, is mine
This
upside
is
down?
like this?
Yeah.
This have good clip.
There we go.
Mom,
And
is mine
yours,
upside down?
the dark blue goes on the
I'm
top.
taking my Ferris wheel.
This like what it is.
Yours
Wait,
goes.
which one is the dark one?
The dark blue goes up.
Like
Taking
this.
out
Yeah.
my Ferris wheel.
Okay, so I'm gonna punch out yours for you. So you get
You said punch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 5 different lights. Okay, look, the middle part punches out. So yours says it's a party. If you want to do it's a party, can you get it? Yours says, oh, the summer nights are all alight with everything magic and bright. Mine has no words.
This is mine.
Mom.
Okay.
Is
And
it
then
the
this,
wrong one?
yours is the same as hers.
Wait, what? Cat.
Okay. Now the way that they have it, they have a firefly that's stamped on there, and then you put that over top, and then those ones go on the outside.
Oh,
So I can
okay.
take
I
the
would like one
farewell?
of these in there and the other one of them out.
Well, that's why they're stamping them, to make it look like they're in the jar. And then those go on dimensional.
Okay, I picked the spots.
Okay, and then your word says it's a party. Do you want to do it's a party?
I'm gonna buy with these.
It's a party or you're invited. You're light up my life.
I go buy them.
Wow, that's stamped really good.
Yes, Dad.
Yeah. Okay,
I
you stamp
gently-
this same one
I
on
do
that.
gently and then I press hard
Yeah.
for a long time. If it lifts and sticks, then it's
Mhm.
going to come out like this.
Perfect. That's wonderful. Okay, so that sticks on with the.
The only stamped.
You need to put more ink on it with the glue dots, and then your Ferris wheel goes on with these ones.
With dimensionals.
Yeah.
Mini dimensionals.
Right. What word do you want it to say? You're invited, it's a party, or you light up my life?
My life is 5 size like
Oh, the summer nights are all alright with everything magic.
Got it?
and
Yeah.
bright.
Oh wow,
Oh, you missed some of the letters.
I have to use your tool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you missed some of the letters.
I took
Can we
the
do
thing
that?
out of it. I don't know what happened. I just took it out of that, and that's what it looks like. Weird. How are you doing that?
No, stop. You don't have it all inked. I can see it from here. Pressing harder isn't going to help. You gotta make sure you got the whole thing inked.
There, I need those.
That might
No,
like
you need to
words.
finish stamping.
Looks like a fish.
I need that. Fab.
Yes, so now you're going to stamp this. There's like 5 of them or so. All over your card.
5. I'm not doing the same thing like you did.
As long as it gets all inked up.
This one needs to stick good, so I'm doing it like sporadic. Yeah. I don't want to admit it, but I'm blind.
Alright, you're going to put three of those on yours. Did I give you the bug?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's a
You
bug?
put 3 of those on.
These.
Yes. You stamp 3 of them on the background and
Okay.
2 little bugs, and then your words need to be stamped. Okay. That's cute. Okay, so this is like an invitation postcard, or you can use it as the front of a card. So that was the one that was in the kit. So now she's just gonna have some fun with one.
Okay, so how do you get
Now
these
guys
on?
to like
You use a glue dot, but then you cover up where you put the glue dot with like a
Stick
bug
this
or
on?
something.
now guys stick this.
Yeah, so you're gonna stick that on with the glue dot. Twine that goes in there. So how do we do the twine? For the lantern card, cut 2 4-inch pieces of twine. Tie a knot on each end of the twine and adhere a knot to one edge of the card base using adhesive dots. Thread twine through lantern. Adhere the second knot to the top of the card base to create a hanging lantern effect.
And then the Leandros.
Or have more when I do this or plan that. Then we're going to glue dots. And I put down the fireflies and let them. Hey Mom, does that look weird?
Why are you stamping it on there?
I thought it was.
It says stamp it on your card, so when it sits over top of it, it looks like it's behind there. Watch your arm. Look where your arm is.
Doody.
It looks fine, but you have to flip over the vellum to make it look like it's on the inside. That's how you want it to look.
Okay.
You don't have to be sorry, it's just not.
We have one out there. A free.
That's what the other ones are supposed to show, that they're outside of the jar.
Doody. What are those?
Glue dots.
Oh.
And you're going to take your lantern pieces. Okay? And
Okay.
you're going to string them on your,
Goo dots.
no, on here.
What's a goo dot? A goo. No,
Hey.
a goo dot.
Put 3 on there.
Fully on this.
Where's the dimensional?
Oh. Remember that.
Okay, here, look. This is what I want you to do. Can we have the dimensions?
I can remove
before
it.
you use them all?
I can remove it.
Yes, that's why you're not supposed to put them on the vellum.
There.
Oh my goodness, girly. Look at the mess you are making.
Sorry.
It looks like someone put jam in there.
They forgot to wash their jam jar before they use it for fire. Okay, go wash your hands before you get ink everywhere.
Look at you.
Okay, no, you can't use
I
these
need
right.
2 more.
Yes, but he needs to finish his actual project before you use up all the glue or all the dimensionals.
Because they're
Okay,
useful.
hey, hello. Put a dimensional on the back of each one.
Okay.
Just one.
Each one.
Yes, one on one. Knot I tied in it?
Yeah.
Okay,
He's done.
you're going to put that on the glue dot,
Okay.
and then you're going to take these, and you're going to position them on along here like they're hanging.
Where's the stars? I'm just gonna put 2 on.
This one needs to be on here.
I don't want to know cool. Oh yeah, this.
Alright, you didn't take this glue dot.
Okay, good on.
And then put that knot on the glue spot dot.
I bet you washed
The
off.
knot.
Oh.
Oh, cute. Done? This is a alternate that she designed.
Is he on there? Whoa.
So you can put them onto a card front where they also, and the set has this line here, you can make like invitation things. So like when, where, RSVP. So all you have to do is use these, stick down your jar, and then, now listen though, those show through the vellum, okay? So you're going to stick it down where you, only 3 of them, and then you're going to use your fireflies and your tag to hide the glue dots.
Okay.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Mommy.
I'm waiting. I want to make what she did. Just
Okay, take this glue dot off and put that on the glue dot.
Ocean one.
It's not ocean.
It's a galaxy.
Oh, it looks like an ocean.
Wow, I have turtles and stuff. You could probably make it an ocean. But we're not going to do that
Say
right
that'd
now.
be cute.
I'm not pulling all that out right now.
Da-da!
Okay.
I'm making a different
I think
alternate
that
for
was
that one.
it for your card. So there's his postcard. Now his doesn't, on here doesn't have any stars, but if you want to put a couple stars on, you're welcome. Finished up our cards, and so this is the tea light bag. It's just some fireworks. This was the lanterns on a string. This was Ferris wheel, and then she did an alternate Ferris wheel. And then we have the
Whoopsie daisy card.
fireflies in a dirty jam jar.
Dirty jam
And then
jar.
this is an alternate to that.
Dirty jam jar.
And that is the July kit. So what do we think?
Really good.
Yeah, it was good. It was cute. I like the colors.
This one a lot.
You like that one a lot? And this has a lot of alternates you can do with it
Wait,
too.
we'll
So
go
thanks
sell
for
this.
watching. Like, subscribe, and
And
we'll,
see you next time.
what he said.